Robbins Financial Credit Union provides you with lots of tools to manage your digital banking. In this video, we'll show you how to bank green by setting up electronic statements for your account. To activate your e-statements, expand the Product and Services menu in Digital Banking, and then click on e-statements. You'll be asked to enroll, and then you'll start receiving your statements electronically. Next, you can choose which statement you want to view. Documents that may be available here include monthly bank statements, Visa credit card statements, and tax documents. To see a monthly statement, click which monthly statement you want to view. This will display a PDF of the statement you requested. If you want to save a copy of the statement or print it out, you can right-click the PDF with your mouse and select Save As or Print. Depending on the browser you are using, icons to save or print the PDF may appear at the top or bottom of the document as you view it. Aside from saving paper, electronic statements have numerous advantages. Rather than needing to stuff printed statements into a filing cabinet, these will remain securely inside digital banking, neatly organized and findable when you need them. You will get an email letting you know each time a new statement is available for you, so it's easy to stay on top of all your financial paperwork. And that's all you need to know to save a few trees and get started with e-statements. Thanks for watching today. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.